So today I'm going to show you how to change the 2019 Chevy Malibu headlights from yellow to LED. These ones right here, for low beam, they're 811s, and for the high beams, they're 905s. So, up here, I already have these installed already. So, the one up here, that's the 811s. And this one right here is the 905. So you probably want to move the air duct out of the way. I just moved it. I didn't feel like taking all the screws out. So for this side, same thing, but it's more easier. So pretty much right there. Hold on. Move the angle of it. This one here, that's the 811. And one's down there. Zoom in. That's the other LED one. So you can't put the caps back on because these are too big, stick out, so it won't fit. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. You just make sure it's getting right, and go inside, then turn this on to make sure the lights are working. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the inside of the LED lights. These are the old ones that I took out already. They're H11. So when you go on Amazon or something like that, whatever you're gonna make sure it's H11. But that's for the low beams. For the high beams, they're 905. But yeah. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I guess share it if you guys like it. Okay. Be good with it.